by the spirit that we see this afternoon. I've never experienced such a spirit before. 3 days ago, they
Hello!
gave us
May kasama ko, nice meeting you. From Batangas chapter, saan kayo?
Quezon City.
Quezon City. Friends kami ni Annie.
Dati akong Quezon City.
Oo, lumipat ako ng Batangas kasi nakakuha ang anak ko ng bata.
Estudyante namin
Estudyante namin si Annie.
Yeah!
High school teacher nila kami. Wala kayo. Mga teacher din ka naman. Ay, secretary ko sa music system sa Batangas.
Saan ka Batangas po?
Sa Lipa.
Meron kami co-teacher dati. Tanawan naman siya.
Tanawan, si Ma'am Rojas, mga lahi ng Rojas.
Oo, taga ron sila.
Oo, kaya lang wala no?
Oo,
Mayapa na.
nice meeting you so much.
Nice meeting you.
Tawag kita tayo.
Yes, next year.
Last year nandito din kami.
Gabi naman nung dito rin.
has grown so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
7 years. On reflection, I asked myself, what is it that has made the society what it is today from 2 to 54,000? And I think I have got the answer. The answer, if I can say it in Tagalog, is mapagmahal na pusa. Pronunciation right? Sorry. We'll get the MC to pronounce it. Mapagmahal na pusa.
Ano daw? Mas
And
mali.
I think this is what
Puso yun, hindi
this
pusa.
pusa. To wish all of you progress as you spread this love through the elderly in the Philippines. May I ask my friends from Singapore to stand up and say thank you to everybody.
Eh, thank you rin. Thank you rin. For coming. Thank you for coming with us. Yeah, maraming salamat.
Also, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.
Thank
And of
you
course,
very
the sister of the former President of Singapore, Miss Betty Tan.
Oh.
Grabe itong event na ito, itong event. International. Kaya nga, tita, kanina, ang sabi natin, may mga kumanta at sumayaw, may premyo. At may nanalo na. May nanalo na. Unahin natin ang mga nanalo sa singing contest. Later po, pagkatapos ng ating program, you may claim